Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. We are on process video 210 entitled Together. This is my fourth layout with the November 2019 Flavors of the Month kit, and this features the products from Fancy Pants Design called Good Old Days, and this is also my recipe layout. If you are new to my channel or new to the Flavors of the Month kit and the ScrapRoom Kit Club, if you the monthly subscribers of the kit gets 4 recipe pages. What it is you get a document basically giving you instructions on how to recreate 4 double page layouts. So I thought that's a pretty good deal because then you get kind of like a class within your mini kit, so you can follow along and create 4 different pages with the products that you already have on hand from 4 different designers. So this is so if you are a Kit Club member, then you will get this. I'm not sure if it's an inbox or you go to the website. I'm not quite sure on that, but I know I make a Word document that has all of the cutting guidelines for my page, plus basically step by step on how to recreate this particular layout. So make sure that you check out the website if you want more information about that. So going on with this page, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. I have 7 4x6 photos, and I'm turning 2 of those into 4x4 pictures. And basically most of the photos will be on the bottom, and then 2 will be on the top right of this double page layout. And I really like that wood grain, so I'm going to put that on the top. I did cut that a little smaller than 6 inches length because I knew that I wanted a little bit of the cardstock peeking from the top and the bottom, so I didn't need that a whole 6 inch. And also because I knew that I wanted to do some strips of paper from the other pattern papers that came with the mini kit, and I wanted to fill some of that gap up with the strips. Now initially I had wanted to do the floral on the top and then the red dot on the bottom, but then I decided that it just didn't feel kind of balanced for me, so I'm going to cut some more of the florals and then just have 2, I think it's 1/4 inch thick strips of that red dot showing for both the top and the bottom of the photo grid that I put on the bottom. And then there's that 4x6 space that is in between my 2 left photos, and I'm just placing some pattern paper there. And I also matted the 4x4 photos using the same map photo that I use on the bottom. And then that together, I really like that one. It was a die cut, and I'm using that to be my title because I thought that it was perfect. Now, a little bit about the photos. I don't know if you remember last month, but I did our fall photos from 2017 last month as my recipe layout, and I did not intend to make my 2018 fall photos for my November recipe layout, but it just happened that the colors worked well. It has some shades of purple and the greens. I know that the shades weren't exactly like our outfits, but I think that the hues, they were in the same family, and it just worked well. I really love how the red pops against this layout. And then basically I just added all of the embellishments that I could find. I did cut my journaling into strips and put that underneath my title, and just added a few more embellishments here and there. I will be adding some cork stickers that came from the embellishment add-on kit into this layout because it just felt like it needed more texture. And basically that is my layout. If you have any questions, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below. If you like these videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and also subscribing. And if you want to know more about Flavors of the Month kit, make sure to check out the description below because it will have a direct link to their website. And I will catch you guys another day. Bye!